Oh, good morning. Good morning, everybody. We're going to do another quick Walmart shopping out, in out. Not gonna stay very long. I know what I need to get, and we gotta go. Hopefully they have what I need in stock. That's what I'm worried about. And then we can look at egg prices at the same time. Here we go. I hope they have. Here they do. One. We got my bacon. The price of eggs that went from last week, it was $19. Now it's $28 for 60 eggs. It's kind of still a good price, but I don't know. I wonder how much they are. I bet it is. I have these at home, so I don't want to buy because I have 2 boxes already at home. I'm going to grab some milk. Get the one way in the back. Yeah. So it has more lifespan. And then we are ready to go. Expensive for cereal. Oh. Get some water before everybody buys it and it's all gone. Just grab it now. There we go. Out of here. All right, let's go. Let me get a box of cereal. I don't want an expensive one. I shouldn't be eating the cereal, but I can't help it. I like it. I love Frosted Flakes. Delicious cereal. Let's go. We're going to check out now. Sorry. I'm going to check out now. Got what I need. Eat. I'm going to check out, walk into the store real quick, see if I need anything. Everyone, napkins. Alrighty. I'm doing a quick Walmart run today, guys. Not going to be around very long today. You know, I want to go home. It's cold outside. And the best time to come to Walmart is early Sunday morning. All right, let's see if they have any foldable tables. Any small ones. No, they don't. They don't have a small one. All right.
I'm gonna go get the holders, and then I'm gonna go back out there and do what I can. Call me when you get it laminated.
All right, let's see, what else did I need? We got batteries. We bought the car battery last time. Let's check on out of here. Oh, sorry. Didn't want to hit you
I
there.
haven't seen it yet.
I almost hit that guy. All right, people, let's check on out. Okay, that checkout is not open yet, so we got to go to the front. They got all the Easter stuff. Stocking soda. There's what I want to check out. Problem is the line is always incorrect. It's supposed to wrap around the other way. But let's see how this gentleman. All right. All right. We are going to check out. And of course, they only have not that many registers open. It's kind of slow checkout this morning. And of course, you know, they should open up some more true registers, but they don't. People check out really slow. Alright, I'm going to cut the camera off and I'll get back on when I get to the checkout. They only have 3 registers open and they got so many people in line. And you can see all that. They only have 3 registers open and this guy's sitting here running his mouth. It's ridiculous. Thank you. Now we're ready to check out. Alright, let's check out. Alright. So 2 waters. 1 cereal. Napkins. Milk. Soda. Soda. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hey, good morning.
Why wouldn't it scare the 3, 4, 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know why they only have that many registers. All right. I got my stuff. I'm headed out the door. It was a crazy morning. They've had shortages of cash registers. Yeah, I guess people called out of work today. So I don't understand. There's jobs in America, but people, I guess, called out because they didn't want to come to work today. Okay, well, you know, it's a job.